Mr. B. This is Mr. Z. We teach a CTE construction course. Today we're going to show you a project. It'll be very easy to build at home. This is a yard block stacking game. So very easy to build, and we're going to show you how to do it. All right, we need to take our measurement. We're using a 2x3 piece of wood. Our measurement here is going to have to be 7.5 inches. The important thing to remember is that this block, every block you cut, needs to be equal to the distance of 3 of the blocks lined up like so. So that by the time we get to our game on the end, everything is nice and even and flush. All right, Mr. Z is gonna start making our cuts for us. We're going to need to have 54 of these when we're done. That'll give us 18 tall by 3 across. When you're going to purchase your lumber, the sticks that you're going to buy, the 2x3s, you'll need to buy about 5 of them. And that should get you through the whole project. Now we're just going to do a light sand on the blocks, kind of try and get off all the rough edges. And that's your yard block stacking game. Hope you guys had fun, and I hope you have fun playing this with your family. Mr. Z, thank you so much again. You guys have a great day. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave it in the space below.